much goddamn weight on my shoulders. All I'm trying to do is live my motherfucking life. Supposed to be happy, but I'm only getting colder. Wear a smile on my face, but there's a demon inside.
The entire world a burden on my motherfucking shoulders, and the people all fight with an uncontrolling gripe. My thoughts go for the kill, but keep myself on the trigger. Life's such a fucking drag, nowhere to run, nowhere to hide.
There's a demon inside, just like Jekyll and Hyde. All this anger inside, I feel like Jekyll and Hyde.
Is there so much goddamn weight on your shoulders that you can't just live your motherfucking life? The stories get old and my heart is getting colder. I just wanna be Jekyll, but I'm always fighting Hyde. You got rocks in your head, I can hear them rolling round. You can say that you're above it, but you're always falling down. Is there a method to your madness? Is it all about pride? Seems everyone I know, they got a demon inside.
There's a demon inside, just like Jekyll and Hyde. All this anger inside, I feel like Jekyll and Hyde.
Do you feel as if the goddamn world is on your shoulders, and the people all fight with an uncontrolling gripe? There's nothing but excuses. One admits when they're wrong, and the ignorance is eating who they really are inside. Everyone is stuck up, everyone is fucked up, with emotions running high and making people wanna die. Why can't everyone around me just learn to get along? Because life's just a fucking drag.
There's a demon inside, just like Jekyll and Hyde. All this anger inside, I feel like Jekyll and Hyde. If I wasn't so deranged, could I ever face the pain? If I ever were to change, would the song remain the same?
All I'm trying to do is live my motherfucking life.
Life's such a fucking drag, nowhere to run or hide. This life that I live is like cyanide.
Wear a smile on my face, but there's a demon inside.
There's a demon inside, just like Jekyll.
Komar, evo, kaj je to zdaj tu? Vse krivo, vse zvito. Mislim. Kaj klamprc?
I've been counting all my steps, on my nose just turned to yes. Silently I must confess my troubled history has washed away all my sins, starting over once again. This is where it all began. was right in front of me. Down is not where I belong. This aching heart won't turn to stone. There's a fire inside these bones. It was meant to be. I see your world still full of light. How could I ever been so blind? I still haven't lost my fight that haunts me in my sleep. I feel like waking up. I've had this dream before. I take these footsteps, go higher, go higher. I want an empty mind, walk down this lonely soul. I take these footsteps, go higher, go higher. Higher, go higher. Higher, higher. I know only time will tell if all the cards